Chicken Cheese Paratha recipe. For the dough, 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon oil. Salt to taste, water, as needed. For the chicken filling, 1 cup cooked chicken. Shredded or finely chopped 1 small onion, finely chopped 1 small tomato, finely chopped. 2 to 3 green chilies. Finely chopped, adjust to your preferred spiciness. 1 teaspoon ginger, garlic paste 1/2 teaspoon. Cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons oil or butter, 1/2 cup grated cheese cheddar, mozzarella, or any melting cheese of your choice. Prepare the dough. 1. In a mixing bowl. Combine the whole wheat flour, oil, and salt, gradually add water, and knead the mixture to form a smooth and soft dough. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Prepare the chicken filling. 2. In a pan. Heat the oil or butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn translucent. 3. Add the ginger, garlic paste, and green chilies to the pan and sauté for another minute until the raw smell disappears. Now, add the finely chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and mushy. 4. Add the shredded or chopped chicken to the pan, along with the cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix well and cook for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Turn off the heat and let the chicken filling cool down a bit. Prepare the parathas. 5. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. Dust it with some flour and roll it out into a small circle on a floured surface. 6. Place a spoonful of the chicken filling in the center of the rolled out dough circle. Top it with a generous amount of grated cheese. Bring the edges of the dough together and pinch them to seal the filling inside. Flatten the stuffed ball gently with your hands. 7. Dust the stuffed ball with some flour and roll it out again into a larger circle, being careful not to let the filling spill out. 8. Heat a tawa, flat griddle, or a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the rolled out paratha on the tawa and cook both sides until golden brown, applying oil or butter as needed. Serve the chicken cheese parathas. 9. Remove the paratha from the tawa and place it on a plate. Optionally, you can brush it with some butter for added richness. Repeat the process to make more parathas with the remaining dough and filling. Serve the hot and delicious chicken cheese parathas with your favorite chutney, pickle, or yogurt on the side.